Hey guys, so long time no see. Since the last time I got an eye infection, so sorry if this eye is a little wonky. I apologize. I might put on glasses just to fix it because it looks terrible. Don't even look at me. You know what? Where are my glasses at? So anyway, got my little cup today. They were giving away a free cup if you got a hot latte in the holiday season. You know I got like 8 of them. That chestnut praline, y'all, let me tell you, that is my drink. I know the people I work with that work at the Starbucks, they're gonna hate me, but I don't care. I get it everywhere. Coffee, latte, creme brulee. Maybe not the creme brulee. That one's okay if you have to. But that chestnut praline, I want it as a frap. I want it every way you can have it. So, cheers. So here today, we got a lot of unboxing. I got so much stuff that came in today. I don't know why. I got the regular BoxyCharm, the new deluxe BoxyCharm that came in, and the pièce de résistance. Now what is Beautylist, you say? This is my Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. I got both, the mini and the big one, okay? Like, I'm so proud of them. I love the series. I watched it religiously, like a crazy person. Almost lost it when they said it was going to post on that Friday and they did that hour delay. I didn't know who I was for a second. So we're going to say that one for last. So let's see what we got in the regular BoxyCharm, okay? Let's see. Alright, so in this regular BoxyCharm, I just, slip the bottom open so we can easier to open. Okay. So we opened it up, it looks like this. Oh Jesus, fresh open. Got the little card. This is stellar. Okay, they give you some savings. Okay, so I got these Starry Eyes self-warming eye mask. I probably need these right now because my eye, like I told you, is wonked out. Okay. Cypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Okay. Back. I got the Versali. Oh snap. That was going down. Rose Gold Skin Mist. It's a hydrate, prime, and set. Okay. Okay, come through BoxyCharm. This is the regular one, y'all. Okay. And they gave everybody the Celestial Thunder palette. I got a Dose of Color. I guess it's a lip. Yeah, a lipstick. And it is in Date Night. So that's, Christmas is coming out. Somebody's gonna get this for Christmas. Let's check out this palette. Let's open up this package. Celestial Thunder is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's the smaller version, the abbreviated, or what do they say in books? The abridged version. The abridged. Of their other palette, Celestial Storm. So this is the Thunder before the Storm. So they left out a few of the colors that are from the regular palette. But we have this pink, this turquoise blue, this is like an iridescent. It's not too bad, it's kind of nice. I like it. You do a lot of looks. It's very right now into possibly early. That's right now. We can't bring this to winter, sorry. Alright, so we got the premium one. Oh, the premium. Okay, so we'll open this one. Oh, they're giving us the periwinkle blue. Alright, let's bring this down. Again, we got another stellar moment. So we have this Becca Glow Gloss and Champagne Cream. Y'all know my little niece, she eats lip gloss, so she probably get it for Christmas. Right here. What's this? Oh, this is the QMS Meta Cosmetics. Okay. Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. I'm old. I need that too. What's this? This is the Kopari Coconut Rose Water Toner. I don't like coconut and I don't like rose. um, gifting something. Okay. So then we got the Natasha Denona Blush and Glow palette. Nah. The Dragon Beauty is a color corrector, I believe. Yeah, Skin Perfecting Potion. Shake well before you use it. Okay. Okay. And I guess BoxyCharm came out with their own set of brushes. Let's check it out. By the way, I love the inside of this one. It's blue. You know, blue is my favorite color, if you can't tell. Let's see. So these, oh, that's soft. I don't think I like the shape of them. I can impale somebody, you know. Get on my level, yo. Get on my level. Which one's this? This is, oh, it doesn't even tell you what it is. It says BoxyCharm on it, which is cute. But it doesn't tell you, like, what kind of brush it's for. So if you're just starting out, it might be a little hard for you. Okay, this is a large eyeshadow brush, it looks like. Probably a contouring brush. This probably work good for, like, getting in the nose area. Pre-highlighting, and this is the overall shadow brush. Cool, I guess. They're very different. I wish they would have put on there like what type of brush it is. I know this feels like a, I don't even know, but this might be a foundation brush. I want to say a powder brush just one way, but it still feels dense, so it's really dense. Yeah, I don't know, like, who knows, we'll see. But now we have all the BoxyCharm stuff out the way. Let's get to the goods. The moment has come. You know what? It's time for the goods. For the real Mc Coy. Okay. So where we open this from? Viewers, you know what? Shout out to y'all for sending it real quick in the order. Oh, it's my little sample. So Good Molecules toner. And I want to try something from them, so we'll leave that. Alright, so I did get the gloss just because it's a part of the series. Look at that, that's kind of cool. For that fresh glazed donut look, juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. That's kind of cool. You know, my niece probably will not be getting that one. But that one's kind of cool. I just got it for the collection. Wow, so support for the big guys. Alright, so the feel of this is like, it's like that, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's kind of like gritty, almost like you could feel the static on the television. I really like that. Let me see here. I can't mess with my cartons. Alright, and then this, oh, the reflex on that is so eye-catching. It's catching the light. I love it. This is back when those TVs had the antenna, and if you didn't put it right and plug the little thing in the back, you get static. That's what this is reminding me of, bringing me all that. Oh, it's in great, embossed. Ooh, I like that. Alright, now let's see this palette. I don't know why I had to blow up, I did. Oh, it goes all the way back. Love that. These colors, amazing. Looks so good. Flat Earth. Oh my God, so much. These colors in person, y'all, are 10 times different. Looks so good. And I love this. It's giving you that. Ooh. It is not the Twilight Zone, baby. It is not. I don't even know how to open this. I feel so stupid. Push. Okay. The feel of this is so beautiful. You love it. Look at that. Oh, it's in my hands, Lord. It's in my hands. Let's pop it open. Okay, suitcase realness. Okay. Oh my God. I don't know if you're gonna see the reflection, but Okay, let's try it out anyway. So that's the palette. It's kind of, oh my god, these colors are beautiful. Like looking at it, Cheese Dust, Flaming Hot. This is it. Oh, this is a noise. My ride is here. Okay. The colors look so different as far as what you see on screen versus what you get. A lot of them look bright and I was like a little shook, a little nervous. When you get it, it's like so like natural tones. Like, yeah, never trust 100% what you see on the screen. Sometimes, you know, just from lighting and editing and stuff, things can be different because these look 500 times better. Should we swatch? Let's swatch. I'm gonna swatch my favorites. Let's try what's the tea. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright. Now I do Illuminati. You know, I've been dying to try the Flaming Hot. Okay. Come through Flaming Hot. Let's do one more. Let's do food videos. Okay, so food videos is not plain. It's okay. Very pigmented. Am I happy? I'm flipping ecstatic. So you know I can't leave y'all. We're gonna try this one of the blue ones because you know. And which blue one to choose. Oh, I don't want to be canceled. So we're gonna try the simulation. Look at that. Oh, glorious. Glorious. Look at that. So all in all with this, I'm extremely happy. I'm loving the collection. We gotta keep it together. Can't let none of the wolves up in here. Get all of them out. I'm on high alert. So y'all go out and grab it when it restocks because it's well worth it. Okay? And I'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching. Like me, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you can know like when I like load like a video. And like if you also like me, like please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment because then now you know that you like me. And y'all know I'm always saying like I normally do, check out my girl Naomi. She's doing it on Bunny and Fawn, everything over there. She killed her Halloween Boom Fright Fest. I don't even care. She murdered that. Like, let me tell you, I still can't get over that Poison Ivy look. What? Her little Flaming Hot Cheetos that she needed this look. She needed that. She needed that right there for her Flaming Hot Cheetos. We won't let that go. She got noticed. The right shit. And her Ariana Grande look, y'all. Let me tell you, I need to follow her because she gonna blow up and then y'all gonna be mad like, oh, she's so no, she ain't. She better in the game. So y'all do it right now. Follow these smaller ones, influencers. So when they make it big, y'all can say I was there from the beginning. You know, Lauryn Hill said it best. I was in there. You know, when you were sleeping in the ghetto on a dirty mattress. Remember that. Y'all go out there and have a great day. And I'm still here and mess around with this. So, see you next time.